How to remove duplicates in Excel. For this we actually have two easy functions or methods in Excel, and we are going to use them with this example. So as you can see here, we have Michael Jones in one row and we have Michael Jones in another row. So this is a duplicate, but the customer ID is different since the customer ID is a number which is being generated automatically. So the first method goes this way. We click into the dataset and it does not matter where. Then we go to the Data tab and here we click on Remove Duplicates. Now Excel is going to automatically select our whole dataset, and here we now have to select which columns should be compared. And since we know that the customer ID is always different, we must unselect this checkbox, because we only want to remove a duplicate if the first name is the same and the last name is the same and the city is the same. And since the customer ID is always different, no rows would be deleted if we check this box. So when we click on OK, you can see now one duplicate values found and removed. And now I'm going to show you the second method. For the second method, it is best that we convert this range to a table. So first of all, we select this range, go to Insert, and then click on Table. Here we select My Table has headers, since we have a header. We click on OK, and now we use the unique function. So equals unique, and note that this function is only available in the newer versions of Microsoft Excel. The next thing we have to do is to pass this function an array. And here we could now pass this whole table, but as you can see, when we hit the Enter key, nothing would change. And this is again since the customer ID is always different. So for this function, we would actually have to pass only the first name, last name and the city, because then Excel is not comparing the customer IDs, and then Excel can detect duplicates. And the reason why we converted this range into a table is the following. When we now extend this table, you can see that Excel is automatically continuing the unique function. So if we would copy Carl Morgan Detroit here, it would not add this line to your unique dataset. But if the city changes, for example, this dataset is a unique one, so when we hit Enter, it will be added. So when should you use which function? If you have a list with a customer ID, for example, which is always different, then in my opinion you should use the first function in the Data tab, which is the Remove Duplicates function. But if you don't have such a customer ID, then you should use the unique function, because it will always automatically update. And that's it for how to remove duplicates in Excel. If you liked the video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you very much, and I see you in the next video.